Tired of running out of storage space mid-shoot on your Sony A7 IV? Let's dive straight into how to connect an external SSD to your Sony A7 IV, dramatically expanding your storage for longer videos and more high-res photos. First, grab a compatible external SSD and a USB-C cable. Plug one end of the USB-C cable into the USB-C port on your SSD and the other end into the USB-C port on your camera. Now, power on your Sony A7 IV. Navigate to the menu, then to the Setup section, usually represented by a toolbox icon. Find the external media format option. Select the external SSD and choose format. Be absolutely sure you've backed up any important data on the SSD first, as this process will erase everything. Confirm the formatting process and wait for it to complete. Next, you need to designate the SSD as your recording media. Go back to the menu and locate the recording media settings. This is often found in the camera settings section. Choose the external SSD as your primary recording destination. And that's it. Your Sony A7 IV is now set up to record directly to your external SSD, ensuring you won't miss the crucial shot. Due to a full memory card, you can now record longer videos and capture more high-resolution images without interruption. Happy shooting!